everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cute egg. So all you're going to need is a 6mm crochet hook, some safety eyes. I used 16mm safety eyes, some yellow yarn, a darker shade of yellow yarn, and of course some white yarn. You're also going to need some fiber fill and probably like a stitch marker and some tapestry needles. Let's start with a magic ring. Now you can just chain 2 and then make 6 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. For the second row, you're gonna make 6 increases. So 1 increase in each of the stitch, and you're gonna have 12 stitches at the end of the row. For this next row, we're gonna use a stitch marker to visualize where the row begins. And we're gonna make 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and repeat that until the end of the row. So now we're going to repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase until the end of the round. So now we're going to do 3 single crochets and 1 increase all the way around. So on that row, we're gonna make 4 single crochets, 1 increase. But we're gonna start with 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and then we're gonna make 4 single crochets, 1 increase, 4 single crochets, 1 increase, until you reached the last 2 remaining stitches, and then you can just make 2 single crochets to finish the row. So this row is going to be the last of the yellow yarn, the bright yellow, I would say. So we're just going to make 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way around. At that point we're going to change the color, so you can just leave the stitch unfinished like so. Take your new yarn and we're going to finish the stitch with that new yarn. So on this row we're gonna be working on the back loop of the stitch, so the one that is not in front of you, the one that is on the back, and we're gonna make 4 single crochets and 1 decrease. Now we're going to work 3 single crochets, 1 decrease on both loops, so not in the back loop only anymore, so both loops. Now we're going to make 2 single crochets, 1 decrease until the end of the row. So now you can start filling the egg with fiber fill and place the eyes if you have some safety eyes, but you can always just sew the egg close and then just sew some eyes with black yarn like later, so that's what you can do. You can place the eyes between row 5 and 6, and you should leave 5 or 6 stitches between them. So now we're gonna do 1 single crochet, 1 decrease until the end of the row. And for the final row, you can just make 2 or 3 decreases and then cut your yarn and sew the hole closed, and the yoke will be done. So now for the white part, we're going to attach the white yarn to the front loop of the 8th row that we did, and we're gonna do 3 single crochets, 1 increase all the way around. For this next row, we're gonna make 4 single crochets, 1 increase, but again we're going to make 2 single crochets, then 1 increase before starting the 4 single crochets, 1 increase, 4 single crochets, 1 increase, until there are only 2 single crochets left, and you can just single crochet in the 2 remaining stitches. Now we're going to make 5 single crochets, 1 increase, 5 single crochets, 1 increase until the end of the row. Now we're gonna make 6 single crochet, 1 increase, but like we did for the 4 single crochets, 1 increase, we will start with 3 single crochets, 1 increase, and then move to 6 single crochets, 1 increase, 6 single crochets, 1 increase, and so on until the end of the row. And there should be 3 stitches left, and you can just make 3 single crochets in the stitches left. For this row, we're going to make 7 single crochets, 1 increase, all the way until the end of the row. And finally, we're gonna make a row of 8 single crochets, 1 increase, but we are going to start with 4 single crochets, 1 increase, and then make 8 single crochets, 1 increase, 8 single crochets, 1 increase, and so on until there are 4 stitches left, and you can just make 4 single crochets to finish the row, and then 1 slip stitch and cut your yarn. So finally, you can just take your tapestry needle and hide all the ends inside of the egg, and you're gonna be done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you made wonderful eggs. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you next time.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, wanna get so numb.